how to explain and fix the code in the same conversation in Google Antigravity. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can explain and fix a code in the same conversation despite the Google Antigravity making different chats for the same. So if you have worked on to the Google Gravity Antigravity, you might have noticed that when you explain or if you try to fix any particular code base or line, it starts a new chat. If you're also annoyed with the same action, what I would do is tell you the perfect setting to play with. So what you're going to do is go to the settings just below the user icon, and then from here click on open anti-gravity user settings. Now from here simply scroll down and you will see this option under general that says explain and fix in current conversation. When enabled, explain and fix actions will continue in the current conversation instead of starting a new one. Make sure that you enable this and you are all good to go. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.